Hey guys, we're building a Lego car. Got this? Place them here. Take them to you. Sneezed on your phone. Sneeze over. I'm looking for a stud. We can take any kind of stud we want. Depending on what we can take a rainbow. Oh, squackle, 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 don't want stud. Got this? We'll take studs. Place them here. Like that. However, here's an illegal building technique. So make sure you don't destroy your bricks. Next, we snap a thing into this with pliers. Are these sharpies? Place them. Actually, I'm gonna place them here in the front. Then we'll take this. Place it there. Next, we'll take one of these, place it there. Then, we'll take this, we'll place it there. Then, we'll take this, put a towel there. Then, we'll make one more down. Here. Or we have to make something different than that. We'll make something for the tail wing. Got something there for the wing. Yeah. Got a wing too, so it doesn't go. So it's for it to go aerodynamic. We'll do this here. Take them down. So we'll place it there. Next, we'll take a tire, but not a jumper like this one. However, I'm using a jumper. Oh, we can't use jumpers. It's in the front, so it's going to be more visible. So we better take Then we'll take this. Lego car tutorial done. However, it's a Lego speed car. It's even got a tail wing. We're going to tire the tail wing. We can do this. Place that there. Want to make some more rearrangement? You can try this. But that's a bad rearrangement. Then, when we arrange it, we can take this, place these slopes there. Same with the tail wing. We'll do this. Completely down. Then we'll place this there on top. Then we'll take this towel, place it down. the rearrangement doesn't look nice, we can just remove it with our fingernails. However, we can just take these off and place them like that. And that's a rearrangement. Tailwinds. That's Lego speed car. Boom! It's even got a light there. Ow. Legos are painful. We got a type of Lego wash machine. However, you can just take this and take this, place it on top there, and that's like it. You can quite load out a big amount. You can unload it like that. Shove your fingers in there. Pull some stuff out to the side. Shove your finger back and forth in there. And if you want, then you can use Schwed to pick it out, a stud. Lay it on its back or top, depending how easy you can use. You can just take this and pull them out. Same with this. At the end, we're going to tell you about microwaves. But to reload this, you can open this like that. Make sure you don't do that. Break it. Drop a piece in there. More studs. Two more. We got 4 studs in total. Then we'll take our thing here. That's enough. Don't add too much detergent. Or you could do a wash machine noise. It's sticking to me. I don't have a... It's sticking to me because of sweat, believe me. Don't smash this thing off. I should have built Bug Rescue. Yeah. Oh, hi. What about we go outside? What about we go outside? Yeah. However, that's just a phone.